The first college basketball Saturday of the season, and I've got a free pick on Texas taking on Gonzaga. The new promo code for the week is Duke. DUKE saves 20% off the entire picksandparlays.net site. Welcome to Picks and Parlays. I'm Allie Burns, and I've got expert handicapper Chip Chirimbus with us today to talk some college hoops. What's happening, Chip?
Well, we're off to a brand new season, and I have a winner for you. This is a great match between Texas and Gonzaga that we're going to be talking about. But excited about college basketball being back. Saw 2 games at Madison Square Garden the other night, and now we're going to come up. We'll probably start slowly. Allie, we're not going to come out gangbusters. We're going to see what the lines are telling us, and we'll have a nice selection for you out there.
Yes, I love it. All right, so we've got Texas Longhorns. Their coach, Shaka Smart, is gone. Brand new first-year head coach taking on Gonzaga Bulldogs. Gonzaga is -8 here. That looks a little weird because we're used to seeing Gonzaga -25, Gonzaga -30. This is a good Texas Longhorns team. Total on this one is 151 points. What do you think about it, Chip?
Well, you know what happened during the tournament when you finally saw Gonzaga play against teams with stiffer competition. They're ranked number 1 again, and they lost the number 5 draft pick and the number 15 draft pick. The Jalen Suggs going to the NBA really hurt them, along with Crispin. And they have one of their top players coming back has been suspended already for the first week or 2. So I don't think Gonzaga has quite that firepower or that edge they've had before. Chris Beard comes from Texas Tech. He did a great job there. You're well aware of that. And he brings 7 transfers. Now, can you get them all to mesh? Can you get them all to play together this early in the season? We're going to find out. I know that Gonzaga won, who'd you say, Dixie State? They beat them 97-63. And in the meantime, Texas annihilated some Sisters of the Poor 92-48. So Texas has the talent and the firepower. They've come up big before in big games. It's early in the year. A lot of points. Maybe Gonzaga, the Bulldogs don't have it together as of yet. I'm going to go with the Texas Longhorns here.
I like this. I'm going to take the points kind of girl. That's how I roll. And usually I kind of stay away from first-year head coaches. But Chris Beard, this guy is a fantastic coach. And like you said, he brought people with him. So it's not like, hey, nice to meet you. Let's see if we could play basketball together. This is a pretty well-oiled machine at this point, and they're going to be hungry to get down on the attack.
And 3 of these transfers, Allie, came from Kentucky, Minnesota, and Utah. Those are 3 basketball schools. So,
yes, sir.
I'm sure they've got some talent on the Longhorns end, and I'm sure they're happy to see the Shaka Smart era gone.
Yeah, I love Shaka, but it's time to go, friend. It's not VCU. He did it at VCU. Right. It's not happening now. He's at Marquette now. That's where he went. So good luck to you, Shaka. But I'm with you. Let's roll with this brand new, shiny Texas Longhorns team, plus the 8 points. What do you have lined up at picksandparlays.net for the rest of the weekend, Chip?
Well, Saturday I have my college football blowout game of the year. And I'm telling you, we had our Build Your Bankroll package last week, went 3-0 at noon, and then poured it on with the Big Ten game of the year, Purdue, an easy win over Michigan State. More of the same on Saturday, and I will have college basketball action out there for you. On Sunday, always a big game winner, 8-4 on the year with the top play, and we're looking to have a great weekend.
I love it. All right, check out Chip Chirimbus at picksandparlays.net. That's where his premium picks are. Free pick of the week, we're going with the Longhorns +8 against the Zags.